made it here from Oklahoma to Michigan. Kind of the same boat as Shallow Lady. This is boat. And he's going to pack it in water, and Waterbug Donovan is going to drive it. And JC is here to help pull the van out. If it won't come out, it's two-wheel drive, so and me and Deb from Waterbug is going to go out on the dock and catch the lines when Donovan gets here. Hope everything goes okay. Here we go. Okay, here goes Chad, launching his boat for the first time ever here at Birdsong Marina. Donovan and Waterbug is going to drive the boat. And we're hoping everything goes all right. We'll see. Well, they got it started. And there's Deb from Waterbug and Debbie's Delight. It's not coming off the water or off the trailer. I mean, it's not floating enough. It don't want to come off. It's not deep enough. It's nowhere deep enough. Well, Chad finally got his boat in the water yesterday. We had a hard time. You seen the video. Couldn't get it in deep enough. But Birdsong Marina helped them out, and they got it launched. And there's a video of that on Waterbug's website. I was helping JC. I wasn't here. But he had these styrofoam panels protecting his windows and solar panels on the trip here from Oklahoma. And he was just going to throw them away. So he gave them to me. I put them on a roof for now, and I'm going to try to glue it to the roof and the sides for some insulation because I have absolutely none. And it's been chilly a few mornings now, so that was pretty nice of him. Thanks, Chad. There goes Chad, outlaw. Just running the motor a little bit, cleaning out a little bit. There's Donovan stopped over and helped me and talked to me and Chad, and he's going to work now. All right. Chad forgot he had his kayak tied. It kind of got all cattywampus, but it's okay. Always something in shanty boat life. Woo. There you go, you got it up out of the water now. Yeah. He's going. There he goes. Got a 90 horse Mercury 2-stroke on it. Seems to push it pretty good. Yeah, that thing moves pretty good. Well, a birdsong resort Marina, and have to take my wiring down and move everything because Chad gave me 7 4x8 sheets of 1-inch styrofoam that I'm going to glue to the roof. But I had to move everything that was less than 1 inch to the roof, and then I got to scuff it with sandpaper so the glue sticks to it. And then Donovan of Waterbug, you guys should check out his YouTube channel, Waterbug. And you just move stuff all around so you can make room to do more stuff. Oh, isn't Shanty Boat Life great? Woohoo! All right.
Right away.
All right, everybody. We're having a meeting of the Shanty Boat captains, brainstorming. There's JC. There's Donovan from Waterbug. There's Chad.
If he's a smart guy, must be the
from Outlaw. And Everready. We're getting it almost all figured out. We're solving all the Shanty Boat World's problems. How about that?